Hi guys, my name is Helen and I work on cruise ships, so I'm always traveling to different parts of the world. That is a privilege in life, but you know what else is a privilege? That I get to know people, language, culture, and art around the world. Wow, how lucky I am. Hi guys, welcome to a new video in this 2024. This is a new year, a new chapter, a new beginning, manifesting and attracting all the positive vibes in this new year 2024. I'm pretty sure that most of us have as a new year resolution to travel, no matter where. Just to feel free for a moment, just to relax and disconnect from our daily routine. You know that traveling not only gives you good pictures and new friends, but also memories, experience, lessons, and also inspiration. For example, for me, it works like this. First, I enjoy my trip as much as I can, then I go home, relax, then I see the pictures and the videos I barely took at that time. I think that's enough to recall my memories and make me inspire and create. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite creations that I made thanks to my inspirational trips. First, we need a clear CD. If you don't know how, no worries. Today I will show you how to do it. First, we need any conventional CD. Doesn't matter the brand, just a CD. Then we need any metal sharp tool like this one, just to make a tiny and slightly cut or scratch. Then with a piece of tape, stick it on the CD. Press it hard and then take it out, and you will see the magic. And voila! It's clear now, but we haven't finished it yet. If you put a piece of paper under, you will see that the CD is kind of blue, like clear blue. So with a cotton ball or a cotton pad and alcohol, start to wipe and clean all the blue ink. Now it's clean, but there are still some silver lines. So this time we will use a nail polish remover and start to scratch all those lines softly. Once we try to do our best to disappear all those imperfections, I prefer to make the holes to hang. You can use a bare metal nail. Try to make them on specific points, on top and at the same direction but down. Once it's ready, I can start with the design. I will place my drawing under the CD. I will make a hole in the center to place everything in my CDK box spindle, so the design won't move. I will get my acrylic paints, paint brushes, water cap and a paper towel. And let's start to paint. And ta-da! Once it's dried, I apply some resin. Now it's time to create the twin capture. For that, I will use school yarn. I already have my tassels and pompons done, and I will use some pink acrylic beads, scissors, and a crochet hook. Let's start. Enjoy the process. Please don't forget to give a thumb up, share the video with your friends, comment below, and the most important, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button for notifications. Have an amazing day, take care of yourself, and see you next time. Ciao!